Hello friends, this is Abhishek and I hope you all are doing great. Today I have come up with very interesting Google Chrome updates which has been issued by Google Chrome yesterday itself. You won't find any of these updates across the YouTube channels. So stick to this channel. Chrome is quite literally in a perpetual state of change. It is continuously working on the updates for the browsers to increase and enhance the user experience. We as users do not notice these kind of updates and we tend to rely on the browser experience, the regular activities which we keep on doing on the browser. The updates which I'm going to talk about are there in the Google Chrome settings. You need to go there and just enable it to access the same. These updates are there for desktop as well as the mobile versions. 3 out of 4 updates are for desktop version and 1 is for the mobile version. So without any further ado, let's get into the PC. To access any of the features, you need to have the updated Chrome browser. How you can update the Chrome browser? This is your browser and you need to click the 3 buttons. Just click on those buttons and go to settings. In settings, in the last option is about Chrome. Just click on about Chrome and you will find this option. The version should be 90.0.4430.85. This is the latest version of Chrome. If you do not have this latest version, then click on this option and the Chrome will automatically update. Once you update Chrome, you will be able to access all the features and you will be able to access or enable the features which I am going to talk about in the videos. So the first update is customer highlighted shareable link. So what does it do? It basically is when you're going through any particular blog and you come across a very important point which you want your friend to read or your colleague to read, you can highlight that portion, make a link and share it with your friends. The moment your friend or colleague get that link, they click on it, they get the entire blog and the portion which you wanted them to read will be highlighted so that they get to know this is the reason you have shared the blog with them. How do you manage to do it? Suppose if you want to share this portion of the blog to your friend or colleague, so what you need to do, just select this portion, right click on it and select copy link to highlight. Copy link to highlight might not show in your PC when you do the right click because the function is not yet enabled. So if you want to enable this function, you need to take, open the another tab and type in Chrome :/ and flags. This is the setting of the Chrome, and in this you need to type copy link to text. You'll find this option. In your case, this will be in default mode. You need to click on this drop down menu and select enable. The moment you select enable, it will show relaunch Chrome over here, bottom of the right hand. You need to click the relaunch button and Chrome will start again. So once it starts, when you do the right click, you'll find this copy link to highlight option available to you as well. So once you select this copy link to highlight and share it with your friend will receive the mail like this. Once your friend opens the mail and click on the link, he'll find that the portion of the text is highlighted and he will understand, or he or she will understand, this is the highlighted portion for which you have shared the link. So you must have understood with one simple click in the Chrome settings, you have enabled the Chrome custom highlighted shareable link option. And with that option, you can share any blog, any important, portion of the blog to your friend or colleague, and they can get to know why you have shared that link. So the second update is about the peeking panel, which is only available for the Android phone. I have opened my phone, which you must be seeing on your computer screen right now. I have opened any of the link. The moment you open the link and you're going through the news, there are various times you come across different links inside that particular news which you are reading, and if at all you want to go through those links, then the moment you click it, it will open in a different browser. This update of Google Chrome, when you are reading a particular news and you come across a different link and you want to read that as well, you need not to click on it and go to a different browser. Just press the link and you will find preview page option. The moment you find the preview page option, just click on the preview page. The moment you click preview page, you find the second link as the preview and you can read that entire news in the preview. If you find it interesting, then you can click on this option to enlarge it. If you don't find that interesting, you can just preview the news and close it from here. You just can close this thing and you will return to the same news which you were reading earlier. So this is a very interesting feature which Google Chrome has introduced for the Android phones. If you're like me, then there will be multiple tabs open in one particular window and there will be multiple windows as well. So you can understand, 10, 15 tabs in one particular window and 10, 15 tabs in another window. So how will you figure out that thing? So you can rename the window and you can segregate those tabs in one particular window and segregate other set of tabs in one particular window. So let's see how you can do it. If you have this particular window as well as another set of window as well, so you can rename the window. Right click on the open space in the Chrome and you'll find the name window option. Just click on this thing and rename this window as news section, because this has most of the news websites. So I'll just name this thing as news section and I'll press OK. And the moment you just hover your mouse to the windows, you'll find this thing as the one window is named now as news section, the other set is called as new tab Chrome, which you can rename again. Just go to this thing and again right click on this Chrome open space and click on the name window option, and then just write some name. I'll just put important and I'll press OK. So now when you hover your mouse, you'll find this important and news section. These are the names of the windows which is open, and each window has multiple tabs open. So you can understand this is such a beautiful feature which has been introduced by Google Chrome. But again, I'll mention that all these features you can access once your Google Chrome is updated. Now we move on to our next feature, which is Swift Search tab option. If you have multiple tabs and multiple windows and you want to find out one particular tab, then you can use this particular feature. This feature will help you to find that particular tab irrespective of the fact that this tab could be present in any of the windows. So instead of memorizing the fact that you could have opened this tab in that window or this window, you can use this option and search that particular tab. I'll tell you how you can do it. See, there are multiple tabs open in this window and multiple tabs opened in this window, and you want to search a particular tab. So what you can do, you can open any of the window and just press Ctrl Shift A. The moment you press Ctrl Shift A, you will find all the tabs mentioned over here, and this will show in this search bar. Either you can just scroll down and find that particular tab, or else you can just type in that search bar and the tab will automatically appear. So I'll show you how. So just type Washington Post and this will show the tab. And the moment I click on this tab, it will take me to that particular window in which it was. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked it, then do like, share and comment. I'll come back with another such informative and tutorial videos very soon. Till then, goodbye.